Alright, so this was the easiest way I could think to play this tune. So you don't need a capo or any special tuning, but you got to play some more difficult chords, I guess. So what you want to do is just set your index finger on 7th fret of the A, and then we're gonna play an E major 7. So you set your index finger 7th fret of the A, ring finger 9th fret of the D, middle finger 8th fret of the G, pinky 8th fret of the B. So what I'm doing with my right hand is just plucking thumb on A, index finger on D, middle finger on G, and then ring finger gets B. So you've got, and then you're going to do just a little percussive tap of the strings right after you pluck all 4 of those. So you've got, all right. Then you're going to take that general shape, but you're going to move it down, okay? You move it down 1 fret so that your index finger is in the 6th fret. Now, your middle finger is going to come off, and this is going to be an E flat 7, okay? So you actually have to bar with your index finger. Okay, so your index finger is going to sneak right up, just right up onto that 6th fret, high E through A string. So you're right up against the fret so you can get the most leverage. Then you leave your ring finger where it was on that 6th fret of the D, pinky 6th fret, or sorry, ring finger 8th fret of the D, pinky 8th fret of the B. So after you had slid down from that E major 7, so you're going to do the same exact plucking pattern. A, D, G, B, and then another percussive tap. So you've got, all right. Then you're going to repeat it again. But right after your percussive tap, you've got a little riff. So your index finger is going to set down 7th fret of the high E. And then I jump my ring finger down to pluck the high E. And right after you pluck, you hammer ring finger to 9th fret. So you pluck and then hammer. All right. Then you lift off again with ring finger and then pluck again, 7th fret of high E. And you can do the vibrato if you want to. So you've got, now once we play that little riff, normally we would be on our E7 chord by then. But since we're not going to be able to play all of it, we're just going to play a couple notes of it. So what I was doing was just, if you set your index finger down, 6th fret of A, ring finger down, 8th fret of B, and you just pluck A and then B. So you've got all together. Okay, then it repeats. All right, so that should be just a really good start for this song. It doesn't deviate too much from those 2 chords, I don't think. I think it pretty much just plays those 2 chords the whole time. So please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.